All right, in this video, I'm going to be talking about Mars, your future. So Mars, I'm going to use Elon Musk as an example in this video. I love Elon Musk. I think this is probably one of the most ambitious people on the planet. So I'm going to talk about 3 core beliefs that he has in order to get mankind to Mars. And I got the idea from Eli Wilde, 3 core beliefs. So I'm terraforming it into my presentation. So, like I said, Elon Musk is absolutely possessed with going to Mars. But the first thing, the first belief that he has is there evidence of water on the planet? Doesn't matter if there's been in the past. Is there any evidence of water? Because we need, as humans, we need water in order to survive. We can only go 3 days without water. So his number 1 core belief is there water? And then the second core belief is there technology to recreate water or to extract water from Mars so that we can live on that planet? So first one, is it there? Is there water? The second one is, do we have the technology to extract it so that we can use it? And then the third core belief that he has, is it worth it? And if anybody knows anything about Elon Musk, he is all in when it comes to Mars. By 2050, he wants to get 1 million people on Mars. So you better believe that he believes it's worth it. He's putting all his money into technology, into research to get us to Mars. So the first thing is, does he believe that there's water there? The second is, do we have the technology to extract it? Can we get that water so that we can live? And then the third one is it worth it? So in business, in your presentation, whatever it is, you have to have those key beliefs, these 3 cores, in order to be able to win your customer over, in order to be able to close the deal. So they have to believe that their goal is achievable with you. So if it's losing 20 pounds, if it's getting more clients, more leads, all that kind of stuff, it has to be, can they get those leads? And then the second thing would be, can they use the technology that they have today, whether that's your coaching, your services, your products, whatever, to get them there? And then the third thing, is it worth it? So that's when you get into the price of your program and your product, your service, all that. Is it worth it to them to get to their future, which is Mars? So if you have those 3 core beliefs, and they're absolute, if they don't believe that it's worth it, the other 2 won't help. You're not going to close the deal. So you need all 3. You can't just have any 2. So I hope that helps. This helps me when I am talking about, talking with the prospect, with the client, and getting you off script so that you're actually focused on them and not yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.